So I was recently doing this project of an end crystal and made this material transition in it. So I thought, let me show to y'all how to do this. So first go into your scene and add an object you want to use. Then go into the shading tab. You can either import a texture or just make one yourself. If you want to know how to import a texture, you can check up the video in the description after this video. To add a node, press Shift+A. If you have done this step, you can add a mix shader node in between. Drag both textures into the shader. As you can see, if we adjust the factor, the colors change. To control this better, we can add a color ramp. If we set the type to constant, you can see it's either one color or the other one. To see both materials, we can add a gradient texture. Now, if we adjust the color ramp, both textures are visible. To make the line of the transition not so straight, we can add a noise texture. But if we have added the noise texture, we also have to add a mix node in between and set it to color. Then we can plug both textures in and adjust the noise texture as you like. The next step only works if you have the Node Wrangler enabled. If not, go to Edit, then press on Preferences and search Node Wrangler. Press on the gradient texture and press Ctrl-T, and these two nodes will pop up. Now plug the object into the vector and add an empty plane axis. Go back to your material and choose the empty as the object. Now we can move, scale, and rotate the empty, and it will affect the material. To animate this, you want to go to your start frame, adjust the empty. Wherever you like, press I and press rotation, location, and scale, and move it to your end frame and press I again, and again location, rotation, and scale. If you learned something new in here, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.
Smiler.